What's up and welcome to another vlog. I'm excited about today's vlog because it has to do with food. From the title you can already tell, but I'm more excited about the fact that I would actually be meal prepping today. Now this video was inspired by my girl Ibi Osho. She recently made a meal prepping video on her channel and I absolutely loved it. Of course I mentioned that to her, and I also told her that I might just go on to film a meal prep on my channel because I've never done anything like it before, not on Betha's Corner, not on Austin Betha. So this is going to be like a very interesting experience for me. The truth is, in this house we don't have like a timetable that we follow for food. You know, it's just me and my brother for now. My sister is not here, and even when my sister was here we didn't used to say, okay, this week we're going to eat this, or that week we're going to eat that. Nah, like we don't do that. We just freestyle. Okay, but I figured that doing this would actually help me out this week, considering the fact that I'll be very busy and I don't want to always come back hungry and not knowing what to eat. I don't want to have to drink garri because there's no food. Don't get me wrong, I love to drink garri a lot. In fact, I have a bottle of granite in my wardrobe. Yeah, it's in my wardrobe because if I leave it in the kitchen, I'm not going to find it again. Okay, so I just put it where I know that it is safe. Yes. Say anything you want to say, that's how it's going to be. My granite is going to remain in my wardrobe. Anyways, that's besides the point. Now for the food, you guys already know how important it is for me to always have stew in my freezer. Like, that is one thing I never fail to have, because trust me, it's been saving me and my brother out a lot. You know, all we have to do is boil some rice or just boil pasta and just have something to eat it with. So because this is the beginning of a new week, I'm actually going to be making a fresh pot of stew. I'm thinking of doing chicken stew, and I'm also going to be making beans and plantain because again, we love beans in this house, but my brother particularly loves beans and plantain. This guy literally begs me to make beans and plantain, so this is me trying to be nice to him for helping me lose my hair. Yeah, okay. And the third thing I'm going to be cooking is banga rice. Okay, for those of you who do not know what banga is, it's actually palm fruit extract, and in Igbo we call it apple. Okay, so this is me making these three things because I know that I can keep them in my freezer and they're not going to get bad, and we consume a lot of rice here. I know some people will be shocked. I bet there's no soup in this your list for the week. Guys, I don't eat swallow. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Okay, I eat swallow, right? But I can eat swallow once in a year. Don't get me wrong, I cook soup, okay? Now maybe this is just the right time for me to mention to you guys that I cook soup for people and deliver it to them as well. You know, so all they have to do is place an order and, you know, I get to it, okay? I'm sure you guys always hear me say Betha's Kitchen, Betha's Kitchen. Trust me, I'm not just saying Betha's Kitchen for YouTube. Betha's Kitchen is a certified business. Like, I registered the business, okay? I take it serious. Like, I don't joke with it. I make soup, and I also have my Betha's Zobo and Betha's Tiger Nut. These are actually the three things on my menu. Okay, so if you're interested, hit me up. That's like a shameless plug, but whatever. Business is business, okay? If you guys want me to cook soup for you and deliver it, just send me a message. You can send me a DM or send me an email. I'll get whichever one. But that's not the point of this video, okay? I'm already digressing. Now let's get back to it. Already, like I've mentioned to you guys, I know what I want to cook, so the next thing I have to do is work on a list of things to buy. But before I can work on a list, I have to check my kitchen to find out what I have already in the house and what I do not have, just so that I don't go about buying things that I already have, or just buying things that I don't need for the kind of meals I'll be preparing this week. Does that make sense? I feel like I'm rapping, but you guys need to understand it, okay? So I already checked what I have in the kitchen before turning on this camera, just to make it a little bit faster. So all we're going to do now is work on my market list. I already have my note here. Actually, these are my grandparents. This is actually the jotter we gave out when we did their burial. My grandfather died and then my grandmother followed few weeks after, you know, so we had to bury them together in 2018. So it's been 2 years since I lost my grandparents, and I don't know, I have a lot of these jotters, so I chose to use it. I mean, use it wisely. Food is one of the things that make me happy, so using this jotter to write out a list of things for food just makes it special to me. Just makes these people special to me. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, get me. Now let's just work on the list, alright? So guys, this is what my list is looking like. For my stew, I have fresh tomatoes and pepper for 700, 1 kilo of chicken, scent leaves. For my beans and plantain, I would have to buy plantain, smoked panla fish, fresh pepper, crayfish. While for my banga rice, I would have to buy banga extracts, dry fish, bomo, and crayfish. Now, I know that I'm supposed to write scent leaf here, but the reason I did not write that is because I already have it here. I think I'm even going to increase this to about 150 because I'll need some for my beans and plantain and for my banga rice. Okay, the only reason I have another crayfish here after writing it here is because I feel like this one might not be enough, so that's why I put this in asterisk. I'm not sure if I'm going to be adding it to my stew. Let me know if you add crayfish to every single thing you cook. I'm not like that, guys. When I eat crayfish too much, yeah, I get tired of it. So these are basically the things I have to buy at the market today. Bear in mind that the things I listed out here are not the complete recipe for these meals. I have some things in the house already. Like for tomato now, I already have tomato paste, so I don't have to buy that again. That's why I said it's very important to check out what you already have in the house so that you don't go out buying what you don't actually need. Alright, so without wasting any more time, let's just head out to the market. Clearly today is not market day, so most of the places are actually very empty. I made a mistake. I didn't calculate this my market coming well, but I'm going to try and see what I can still get. So it just means that I'll not be vlogging because clearly everywhere is empty. Okay, I'll talk to you guys when I get to the house. Guys, I just got back from the market and I feel so bad because today is actually not market day and my hands are already white from the glove. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. They're already white from the glove. That's why I don't like wearing that glove. Anyway, I was able to get almost everything on my list apart from the banga extract. So that means that I won't be cooking the banga rice today. I'm just going to keep every other thing I bought for that banga rice in the fridge so that it doesn't spoil. But let me quickly show you guys everything I got at the market. Okay, hold on, let me just... If you don't have an akoti in your house, I don't know what you're doing as a Nigerian child. So let's just quickly get all this out. Guys, see 500 naira tomato. 500 naira tomato. And it's not even as if it's the big tomato. It's all this baby tomato. Just look at Rodo. Now this was the only plantain I could find and this sold for 500. I'm so upset. So I have some chili pepper. I think that's what this pepper is called. But in Yoruba it's called shombo. Okay, so I bought these ones and I also bought the red bell pepper, which we popularly call tatashe here in Lagos, Nigeria. Alright, I got 2 of that and they sold for 100 naira each. And I got this chili pepper for 100 naira. Not just that one, no, it's inside here. Okay, I also have my scent leaf here. Here I have my pomo and these 3 sold for 200. I bought 2 crayfish and they sold for 100 naira each. I also got the smoked panla fish. I actually bought it from 2 different people, yeah. So I felt like this one's own was better, but I didn't see her in time. And since I wanted to buy 400 naira own, I decided to buy 200 from this person and 200 from the other person. Let me know if there's any other person that does that. Like when you just see something better, just because your guilty conscience will not allow you just leave that person and go and buy everything, you just say, okay, you know what? Give me half, let me go and buy half somewhere else. That's actually what happened to me with this fish. So this one sold for 200, 3 for 200. This one also sold for 300 actually. You see what I'm saying? This one is already breaking. I have not done anything with it. And this is that first person I went to her shop. If I left her now, it look as if better is wicked. I'm a mass want to come myself. Nah, don't even know. I've just bought it because I wanted to buy everything. Anyway, this is turkey. I bought 1 kilo of turkey instead of chicken because the turkey was just looking sick, you know, so I couldn't stand it. Yeah. So that's basically everything I got at the market. Now it's time for us to cook, okay? Guys, just to make the whole process faster, I did a lot of things off camera. For example, I already cooked and fried my turkey, and here I have the broth as well. In here I have some fresh tomatoes, peppers and onions. I already blended this and boiled it so that the whole cooking process will be easier. So without wasting any more time, let's just get straight into the cooking of the stew.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
So I'm done cooking. I am never ever trying this again. I don't know who send me message. Now copy na in the key person. Now better cook white rice. Now better cook stew. Now better cook beans and plantain. Wait till happen. Is there a competition? Are they going to pay me money? If you see what it costs, like saying that she tell me say make I copy out. Guys, I'm extremely tired. I just took a bath right now. I didn't bother showing you guys the whole beans and plantain recipe because I already had a video where I was making that, so I just thought it would be redundant putting it up here again. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog because guys, I'm signing out at this point. Okay, now before I end this video, I want to quickly talk about the podcast and the reception I got from you guys. Obviously, a lot of you had problems with the fact that you couldn't see me and I sounded too serious, but again, how to grow your YouTube channel will not be joke. Like, you need to be serious. You need to take this thing serious. It's a serious course. But I get your concern. You want to see my face, my facial expression. I don't know what it is with my facial expression that you guys want to see. I don't understand. What is my facial expression doing for you people right now? But I get what you guys are trying to say. So I'm probably not going to do the whole podcast thing again on this channel because, I mean, if you guys don't like it, there's really no point in me creating it, okay? I'm going to try my best to film every idea that comes to my head, so help me God, because trust me guys, it's not that easy, but I'm willing to try. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, guys. At this point, we're close to 500 subscribers. I think I need about 5 subscribers more to hit 500, so that I'll know that I've reached half of 1,000. Let's now remain the 4,000 watch hours that we're trying to grow. I don't know when that one is going to happen, but I believe God, everything is possible with him. So yeah, I enjoyed vlogging today. If there are other video ideas you'd like me to film, just let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely see how I can bring those to life for you guys, because I want this to be as interactive as possible. I don't want it to be me just bringing content that I like. I want you guys to tell me what you want to see. Be specific. And I also made a post on my Austin Better community tab where I was asking you guys to make your assumptions about me. I would really love to film the assumption tag. I want to know what you guys think about me. I've been seeing some very funny assumptions there. Talk to Tammy, your own. No worry, another day I will attack you. But let me know what your assumptions are about me. You can leave them in the comment section here as well, and I'll film a video as soon as I have enough questions. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, because I know that people are going to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, hello, yeah, hit me, hit the subscribe. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.